Israel DMW, he do the unusual for a first day for work. Destiny Etiko, they don dey gbege am again as she buy another motor. Now, well, my great people, Alex Unusual and Maria, they don't finally meet their self. Hello, my great people. They wanna welcome back to my channel. When I new, wanna welcome. When I did, wanna super duper welcome. Alright, so check below. You see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. My great people, them no be small thing Israel DMW don't finally resume work and inside Tolato no go everly bad pass say in go let the whole world know say enjoy don't finally complete suspension. Alright, so my great people, I'm not saying go shook mad for waiting no consign am na him oga come provocation say why you will be celebrity PA you go dey shook mouth for national issues like that, not just national issues but sensitive ones. You see the write up here where he say he's fully standing with Abakari. Hey, my great people, them no be smart, that matter shele this Abakari matter shele like say tomorrow no day. Now the thing done off like say the na NEPA like Nigerian light off. You don't know when the thing will rise up again. Nobody's even talking about them again. The matter don't buy. My great people didn't talk many things so as Imoga come give us suspension now you can say come for social media again come beg people so I beg may they shook mouth may they beg Imoga may they beg Imoga so after 9 years when don't work with Imoga now the write up it is if you pause and read. I don't do news about all these things. This in day news. Alright, so my great people, may they beg Imoga of 9 years, may they beg am. Imagine life where you don't live for 9 years. Imagine person where you don't deal with for 9 years. Even if na wife or na husband where una don't deal for 9 years to live each other go hard. Now so you follow be with where you dey work. Especially as a man where you dey shop your garri. Alright, so my correct people them. So Davido too and the lawyer they come they crack joke. He say the only letter when wants read now. He say na Israel sack later so they just use how they play there. But una know Davido na play man. He just they play no be say he mean am. Yes, so but finally for una to know say he no mean am even though him and Israel him follow Israel. No be smart mean I'm say maybe you don't hate them or their paddy don't end. No, you just want make it learn lesson. Sometimes when they tell person something, they hear, you go want tell them in the hard way. Some people only understand things when they are told the hard way. So Israel don't come at you. Now you don't they shout you like say tomorrow and next tomorrow no day on a wash. On top that very matter, nine comment association people can't come at. 9 person can say next time you go shook your mouth for waiting no concern you. Another person can say you don't they misbehave again. Now matter of time you go miss yarn again or day. Another person can say hunger don't beat him tire. Another person can say him too they talk. That is his problem though. And the last person here can say all him mind now be say make this one finish, make I cut another big one. You can't laugh. My great people them Nollywood actress they call and say Destiny Etiko, she don't add another white to her collections no time to check time. No be small thing. It's not so easy to drive a tear leather something. No time. Alright, so my great people them I love this car. Wow, Destiny to car white they be like 5 and 6 and the thing fit her like say tomorrow no day. I beg Destiny to go no verse but you go cut this soap for me when I know say never stay where she buy this Prado where internet where even tear to pieces. Today say they find the pieces I know see my correct people them no be small thing where they say na Jack Rich na one multi-millionaire na him they bankroll her say as they to roll been share like say let them bring bracelet. They can't put where she write love my beads from someone special. Someone special. Is it Jack Rich that gave her? Because he might wear the same beads. Although just lovers don't accuse her or we have pushes, so say two of them they get something. But Destiny Tiko say na hard work yo. She even swear with her mama name. Yes, so if you know Destiny Tiko, you gonna know say na very hardworking actress. But it's just that say if woman acquire anything, people go want attribute am to a man. So Gisele, how many houses where she don't build? She still they do more things. They know they point at her, they know the accusation am again because of say she don't marry Abi. I beg you, Destiny Tiko is a very hardworking young lady. We be say anytime she did on the road, oh, she did for movie set, oh, she did the influence, oh, she did they do every just to make it. So then when the money comes, she begin to dey spend, they go say na man. Well, my great people, all this actress in them, person no fit, swear for them. Oh, if you swear for them, all right, more live on there. No be for my mouth. When I go here say me as young girl center party. All right, so my great people, them Destiny Tiko say console for me. Oh, when I see her birthday gift, just now when she gift herself this house on her birthday. Now she don't buy luxury car again. I said this soap, you got her for me, oh. You go cut out for me. Nollywood actress Destiny ATT, baby. Alright, so my great people, that's so just the level B, oh. Now so just the level B. She don't post this one too again. They no one allow her, make she drink water, keep cup. Begay don't start again, oh. Begay don't start, but this time not from a blogger. This time it not start from blogger. It just a share for comment sections, yo. They say, Destiny. Now, wow. Alright, my correct people, not talk too much. Make I read the comments for una. Me una see as it in the shell. Alright, so the first person can here say, when will my own yash give me car? Can't laugh 3 times. The second person can say, that's if you know how to use your yash. The third person can say, this auntie is selling gang, oh, like her market, they move faster. If you know, you know. Then the fourth person, I be the last person here, can say, how many cars only you don't buy this year, auntie? You want turn dealer? Wetin concern una? Wow. Alright, so the first person here again, because at least she is showing us her source of income in one of the pictures. Congrats, sis. Another person can say the yash is working. The third person can say her grace is behind her. Then the fourth person can say Destiny Tiko is making use of her yash very well. Then the last person here can say Paul. Now wow, the level they be say women too, they follow, they talk all this things. So after they go say women supporting women. Now wow, it's well. Destiny Tiko, you know, go do investment with all this your money instead of to they buy cars. How many you want drive in a day? Well, everybody gets in one passion and he get waiting he won't do with the money. So that one no concern me. But the dragging now, just on another level. Imagine how many comments where I read. No positive comments as well. Every time Destiny to go buy motor wahala go boss. Anyway, yeah, so Big Brother Naija House Summit demo Alex Unusual with Mariah. My correct people they wanna know say for Maria live video they may ask and say whether she know who Alex be. She say she no know. When some people come they throw her say how she go say she no know. The level Debbie say she might not know. Yes nah. Okay, so we'll watch the live video first before we continue.
Gratitude. Thank you so much. Maria, do you like Alex Unusual? Who's Alex Unusual? I don't know who that is. I'm sorry.
My great people they don't finally meet themselves. Both of them don't know each other. So now they don't finally meet themselves. Some people may want to turn onto another issue, but thank God the way where they handle them. Alright, so the first person here says she forgot, she said she doesn't know Alex. Amnesia queen, I stand. Another person can say Alex is a sweet lady. Even another person then for block her future. I better get out, block her future, she be her God. The third person here can say next year will come and they will obviously say they don't know Maria too. So calm down. Then the last person here say Alex has a beautiful heart. Some people would have built mountains from her response. Now wow, some people get wahala. If let's say some people anything with this lady Maria just do not problem for where they dey. See me see gbege. Hey, must she know Alex? Even some of the world famous celebrities, now all of them we wanna know. God, now wow, I just thank God the way Alex they handle this thing, because people been one turn waiting no be anything into something. Right, so my crack, but now so the level just be. I said the level just be. And I thank you so super much for watching. Me wanna continue to just stay beautiful. Me wanna bye.